Demonic.
Chili out. Hey guys.
We sit in silence with your rifle by my I keep you down.
They paddleboard on Sunday.
That's what the rocks are.
Just drops it on his head. That's it.
Hey, no.
He's too strong.
Move forward. Hey guys.
Oh, we'll have to.
After that valve, what it does.
Looks so good. No, you too.
She makes a vlog.
You have a blog? A blog?
Yes.
What does that mean?
It costs the other leg. You're hopping barefoot. Not a camp trip.
We don't want to smell your burger.
Demonic.
Oh,
You gotta try it.
so true.
Look.
Oh, no.
Hover high.
Oh, thank you.
Take a picture.
It's really,
Yeah.
really reflection in there.
This is not quite night hiking, but whatever. We'll at least get to go down to the lake.
The light is not going on for you. Ew.
Thank you.
Man. Walking.
Get some chili out. Get Doritos, really. Hard to believe he can run 35 miles an hour the way he's walking.
We're almost 2 miles in, guys.
Macy. Hi.
It's only 5 miles.
I thought it was like a mile. I thought we were.
That's it? Wow, great attitude. As soon as I see someone, enough for you?
Yeah, thank you.
Slow says.
Itadakimasu.
You're just here for the hangout.
Mayo's good on it too, just a little squirt.
No, I can't reach this leg. Oh my gosh, check this out. Okay. So we were cheers.
It's ready to make coffee.
Thank
Did
you.
you get donuts?
Or you want to get
And I want to take videos.
Oh, she's taking videos of the cooking. Not quite ready yet.
manual option.
Wow.
You can just put in all my card information.
Checks are bad
They're bad.
for fraud.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like just
Maybe donuts.
Maybe.
possibly. Yeah, something like that.
Thank you, Macy. Thank you.
Joe, enjoy your first ride. Woo woo. Where did you find that?
He was in the water. He's like still a tadpole.
Still like 4 feet. Oh, let's get his tail.
His tail.
Tri-tip.
Thank you.
He probably really like.
I like that.
Oh my god.
Juicy. So juicy.
When we were coming back from the camp.
Was he solo like just past?
He was solo.
yes.
Yes.
Dude, he was there when I went and he was drinking. I was there.
Down.
What was yours? What was yours?
Mine was ways to start a fire.
Oh yeah.
It's somebody else.
This will help your throat.
I'm okay, thank you.
Nagi, this will probably help your throat. Piece of peppermint gum.
Like a literal swarm at the very tip. The very tip.
Look, it's hot dog grass. You see it?
Just a swarm of bugs.
Dad's a deadbeat. He left. There you go.
You can see all his markings.
It's beautiful, isn't he?
No.
You want to look at him up close?
Don't go too far.
Oh, I don't like.
I want it.
Hello.
Hello.
That's a quarter.
1966.
Really? Oh, that's silver.
What is it?
Penny.
Dime.
Dime. Nice.